Some polynomial operations first. So to add polynomials, we combine like terms. So negative 2x to the third plus 10x squared minus 10 plus x to the third minus 2x plus 1. First, we look at the highest power, which is x cubed. So here we're going to add negative 2 plus 1 x cubed. So negative 2 plus 1 would be negative 1 x cubed. And then next we'd look for the x squared terms, which there's only one of, so plus 10x squared. And then we'd look for the x terms. There's not one in the first polynomial, but in the second there's minus 2x. And then the constant terms are negative 10 plus 1. So negative 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So that would be our simplified polynomial. You can write either negative 1x cubed or just negative x cubed. Okay. Subtracting polynomials is really similar. We just distribute the subtraction to the second polynomial, so negative 2x squared minus 8x minus 5 minus the second polynomial. We would distribute the negative to that second polynomial, which would change all the signs. So negative x squared minus 5x plus 3. And then after that, we would combine the like terms. So starting with the x squareds, negative 2x squared minus 1x squared would be negative 3x squared. And then negative 8x minus 5x would be negative 13x. And then negative 5 plus 3 would be minus 2. Okay, so really we just combine like terms, but before we do that, we need to distribute the negative to that second polynomial. One application of polynomial subtraction is with finding profit functions. So problem 3, if the revenue is 65x minus 4x squared and the cost is 20x plus 90, if we want to find the profit function, the way we do that is we take the revenue function and we subtract the cost function. So what that would look like here is our revenue function is 65x minus 4x squared. And from that, we would subtract this whole cost function, which is 20x plus 90. Okay, so to do that, we would distribute the negative to the cost function. So that would give us negative 20x minus 90. And then we would combine like terms to get the profit function. So first we have negative 4x squared. There's nothing to combine that one to, so the profit is going to be negative 4x squared. And then the x term, 65x minus 20x, would be 45x. And then the constant term, there's nothing to combine this minus 90 with, so just minus 90. So that would be the profit function. Okay. To multiply polynomials, like x plus 5 times 3x minus 7, we distribute each term in the first to each term in the second. So x times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. 5 times 3x is 15x. And 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. And then we combine terms after we do that distribution. So we have these two middle terms, negative 7x plus 15x, that we can combine. So that gives us the simplified polynomial of 3x squared plus 8x, when we combine those middle terms, minus 35.